I'm Riaz, okay? I think our campus ambassador. If you can, I think working independently is preferable, but are you enough experienced? If you are enough experienced and if you feel that that professor actually is not helpful at all, there are people sometimes they don't do anything at all. So why you need to go and bother him? Why you need his help? No need. So if someone is a professor or any colleague or collaborators really can improve it further, yes, you have to go. And if you are strong, if you are confident, and rather they will kill you time, yes, you go ahead. Should be okay. And if you can train yourself also, should be fine. So it's up to you. If you feel that your level is, I have given you some guideline here. These are the benchmark. These are the checklists. So if you feel that these are the strong enough, you don't need to go through professor. But as you should understand that if you are working under a supervisor, and if you don't consult with him without his consultation, if you are going to publish and later on there is an issue, because he's a supervisor, maybe he has some contribution, he will write to the editor, he will write to the ethical body, and you will be in trouble. So you have to be careful with all those things. So either he has really contributed contribution or not. You have to check the ethical matter also before doing all these things. So sometimes don't try to be over smart. Try to see the ethical matter as well. Whether he is eligible to be author, co-author, or he will make a complaint, he will make a noise because you are a junior guy. So he can report it to the head of the department somewhere else. So you will be in trouble. So you are junior, so you might be in trouble. So you be careful. Okay.